So basically, I don't think I ever show you guys this, but this is how I, before I go to sleep, I lock my door and I will spread this all around here. Open this. Okay, glass fell down. So this way, there is no way sun comes to me in the morning and wakes me up, right? It's all covered here. And we can do this one too. That's all covered nice. So that way no sun can come, no peeking. That's it. That's how I do that before I go to sleep, right? Since I stop early and since it's 9 o'clock, I will have to listen some news and things like that. So after that, about 10 I will go to sleep, and I have to get up 7 in the morning. So I was thinking to show you this. Another thing I will show you is I just purchased portable toilet, right? So problem is mostly winter time, you know. Sometimes we have needs to go to toilet. So look how simple is the toilet is, right? Very simple to operate, right? Let's open this each leg, right? Press this one there and it will lock. And this toilet is from Walmart. I buy it for $20, you know. So make sure you lock the wheel, you lock the legs, right? Sideways, and it clicks. Sideways clicks. So this toilet can hold 350-pound person. Look at that beauty. So all you do, a bag comes with that, right? The bag. Let's see, where is the bag? I put bag somewhere here. I don't know where is exactly the bag. That's paper. Sorry. This is shopping bag. So let's see, maybe it's here. I put this somewhere. Okay guys, I just purchased this toilet in Walmart. About $19. You spread this, secure the legs. $19. It comes with the 20 bags, you know, just the basic bags, right? And comes with chemicals, so you can put inside of your bag, and that way stuff doesn't smell, right? Believe it, I try once and works very good. Of course I clean it, it's very clean. So this one I keep under my bed, right? There's a lot of room under the bed. So I put this down. See that? Very practical, and can hold 350 pounds person. And you know, especially in Canada, I come from Canada, it can be cold, so I can do things in my truck. I don't even have to go nowhere. After I can go and take a shower, whatever. But that's how it's done. Very simple. So folding process is very, very simple. right? I use it once already and works perfect for me. So just wiggle this leg and fold it, that's it. Now each leg same thing. So that's, I was thinking this is tip of the night. Mobile toilet is about $20 in Walmart US. Yeah, great feature to have in a truck. Good morning, guys. I just have a nice sleep last night here in Pennsylvania, and I have 4 hours, 3.5 hours to get Canadian border. Night was quiet, and only reason was quiet because it was Friday night. So remember, Friday night anywhere in America, if you end up on a rest area or even truck stop, there's lots of room. So this load I usually take Monday. And I have something to work home, so I told them if I can pick it up Wednesday. The week before I have 2 runs, so I usually do 2 runs in 5 days, and second week one long run, longer, and third week again 2 runs, so I can balance my work easily, and I can spend home time too. So it's not all about driving, it's you gotta combine your private life with this too. Some trucker says they don't have private life, but actually it's not true, right? Depends on the job, depends on the company. This company I work for, you can. So actually last night was first night temperature was -1 this year, so it's slowly getting colder. I see some frost on the grass this morning, that means it was around minus. Welcome to winter soon. I don't think winter's gonna happen really bad this year, no. Even North America, everything is warmer, and Canada is warming up too, you know. Unless you live in British Columbia or Alberta, that's when it hits you. But Ontario province I live in is getting warmer every year, so look at that. I love this one. I just see some fog here, guys. So this is another challenge in trucking, yeah. It's still not bad, you know, visibility is okay. But if comes, so I don't see this truck in front of me, I will use 4 flashers, because you want people to see you on front. You don't want anybody come under your trailer, you know, or truck. So let's change to slower lane here. The law says change to the right lane. No trucks on the left lane. No, prohibit. See that? Yeah, all right. Getting more dense here, yeah. But still good, you know. When sun comes out, we should be all good with this fog. But you don't know. See that? Reducing lane. This guy should go in. I let him know, but he's slow. Okay. Let's pass this guy. He can do it after I pass him, yeah. What the heck? No harms. I give him opportunity, He didn't want to do it. Okay. Great. So look at sunny, foggy. Oh my, really nice morning now. Yeah, cool. So guys, I will update you with some weird drivers on this interstate here. It's really one from, I know it's Pennsylvania to Canadian border, lots of weird drivers, man. Not here in mountains, but soon. So I see some atomic plant there for the creating energy. Wow, on top of mountain. Quite impressive place, huh? Why they build it on top of mountain, curious, you know? Is that environmentally problem? I don't know. So I tell you something today, guys. I wake up in the morning. I slept very good last night, and you know, I have every time you start rolling in the morning, you should check your truck, inspect your truck, all this blah DOT stuff. You have to do it, you know. Make sure your brakes are properly operating, all these things, and check your seal and trailer, man. Later on I will show you what I use. Let's say if I have some value load, I don't have today, but if I have, I will put my own locker on the trailer. But some people says don't use that, you know. So I want your opinion, guys. Should I use a locker on the trailer while I'm sleeping overnight? Or no? Shoot me comment. I'm not sure, you know. That's my theory I always use. But somebody says, you know, they can cut that instantly if they want to rob you, basically, while you sleep. And I don't know how they can do it. I don't know. It's really hard to rob trucker if you're sleeping, you know. You hear things, right? So what do you do? I would probably run from the truck, you know, because what's other option? You're not gonna fight them, right? Just let it go and call police. They're gonna take care of the case, basically, right? So yeah, that's what I do. I left lane closed, so we gotta slow down here. Yeah, these guys are hauling some machines, so we will see. Stay tuned, guys. So let's warm up my favorite homemade soup. 3 here, and I have this one too. I will put together with this. So, well, it's Saturday, you know, I am already late home, so what do you do? But you know, I'm not gonna, I will tell them that I am available Tuesday. I have to build something home, so we can take Tuesday next week load. Today is Saturday. Let's warm this baby up and let's eat. Yeah, great. So good morning, guys. Today is very important day for Americans and for me too, because I am in America and I'm Canadian. Wearing American shirt, great. Wow, look at this, guys, blended to society. And of course I'm just working in America. So what I'm gonna do on today, I will shave my face. All right, let's shave my face. And I don't like to use, when I'm home, I use straight razor blade, because I used to be in a hair business, so I know how to shave my face by the knife, right? But now I'm in a truck, so that's my baby, Philips machine, right? So this machine is a crazy idea, actually. I like it, no mess. Let's plug it in and make sure this machine complies with your battery. No, you don't want to kill the battery of the truck, right? So 29 is right now in West Virginia, which is really surprising, right? For November. I mean, find me place, maybe unless it's Florida, that temperature that high in November. I never see it before. Been here winter, all kind of, but yeah, I never see it. So let's shave my face. I have good sleep the last time. See, I'm parked here and I didn't have choice to go on truck stop. I tried 2 of them and no parking. I stopped 2 in the morning, so good luck, right? Because I pick up the load too late, right, from Canada. And today this load should be delivered 4:30, but you know, I don't know if I can make it, you know. It is 5 hours from here, so if I don't have any delays, traffic, I could make that time, you know. Yeah. So this is machine, you know, like who wanna deal with the foam, soap, water, right? Nobody needs that in this kind of camping trips, what I'm doing every week, you know. I'm doing camping in this truck, right? This is my camper. Same time you travel and make some money, yeah, right? So I don't think there is a more relaxing job on earth as truck driving. This is, I really believe this, guys. So I'm just using this front mirror to check this. Hair here, and this trimmer can even trim your, okay, oh, my machine was unplugged. Great. Guys, talking too much. All right, let's continue. So trimmer is the way to do it. Make sure you stretch your skin. This is professional hairstylist is telling you. And I will have to color this goatee image here and I go home, but I have still a remaining color from 7 years ago. I used to own a hair salon, and Corona came and killed everything, killed my business. So that's how it works. I sold the business and I'm out of that now. You never know, maybe I come back to hair business, right? You don't know. But you know, I've been 22 years in hair business, and you know, I don't think I want to go back, you know. This is a much easier thing to do. Much easier. In hair business, you have to take care of customers, you know. I miss contact with people. That's the only thing about that business. And people person. Now look at, I am lonely on top of mountain. Man, what a change. I know. But that's what happened in life. So I tell you, before I get out of business, people ask, customer asking me, you know, Ermo, where you gonna, who's gonna do our hair? Yeah, it's not fun. Because they have been used on my good haircuts and all this stuff, but I tell them, go to my friend, tell him one of my buddy owns hair salon. So they all went to him. Now they're there. And if I want them back one day, I will just call them. I have still my appointment books and phone numbers, right? Just call them, tell them I'm back in business, right? Yeah, I have some pimples here, because if I don't shave on time, pimples are coming crazy. You gotta stretch that. So all I need is put some color on this beautiful goatee, and I'm all good. Because I hate being old, man. Well, I'm not really old, but you know, getting there. No gray hair, not much, right? That's from mother, right? Inherited from mother. Okay guys, so let's put some cologne here. So later, like in barber shop, you know, slap your hair, get your blood moving, man. Yeah. All right. So let's put some lotion here, and that's the one, right? I forgot where is my lens. That's funny. Well, I'm not professional videographer. You know what I mean? I'm not really. I do this for hobby, right? Just to show people how you can do things in your truck, right? This pimple will disappear on left very shortly, you know, once I get lotion here. And I even put lotion in my hair because it's a little oil based, so works good. Same time, you know, don't waste product on your hair. Just put friggin' shaving lotion here. Look at that. Transition is there, man. I have really strong natural hair, thanks to mother. Yeah, thanks to mother. All right. That's it. So slap the face. Now I gotta wait half an hour and I'm gonna be ready to roll. It's a part of your job routine, you know. People who don't buckle up, they're risking big time tickets and accidents and survival rate and stuff like that. So make sure you buckle up. That's good thing to do all the time. I did my inspection this morning. I checked the special inspection of braking system, my trailer, everything. In 15 minutes you gotta inspect basically everything. In this kind of mountains I do that all the time. Even if I stop for a coffee, I go and visually inspect my brakes and everything, because you don't know my tires, right? Safety is the first. Any other thing can wait, but safety is the first. You gotta be safe for you and for others, okay? So look at that beauty. I am actually on top of the mountain in West Virginia. This is a flat top, so probably has a reason why it's called flat top, because it's really top here. Now we are gonna go down slowly. I see configuration of roads. So engine brake is setting 3, meaning soon we're gonna have a pretty much nice uphill and downhill extreme to 9% maximum. So that's pretty steep, you know. Now, I don't know, guys, how you understand 9%, but that's what the sign says. 9%, meaning downgrade is 9%. It's not that difficult to figure out.
There's
right?
a lane closure ahead.
Lane closure ahead. Alright. Let's see if Google is right. Because I don't see signs yet. The lane is closed, right? Yeah, work ahead. So Google is right. Now, which lane is closed, we're gonna figure out. I see the sign here. Figure out 1 mile exactly what's going on here. A little bit dry air. I open in the morning, but still dry, you know, from air conditioner, right? Believe it or not, this is the warmest November I ever experienced in Canada and US. Right now is election day in America, November 5th, and it's a 28 plus. I never see that before. So climate change is really hitting everything. I don't even believe we're gonna have winter at all. It's really warming in Canada, US, right? So let's see it. I remember in November 1st, snow started to snow everywhere, but not West. North Carolina is really hard to find snow anyway. But I'm talking about Canada, you know. So supposed to be snow, and now it's really hot. Alright guys, I will update you with some weird stuff drivers do around here once I have opportunity. Thank you. Please subscribe. We are 600, we are almost 600, we are 680 subscribers, and this month is a goal 1,000. So let's grow this channel, show special new drivers how's out there and what's the trucking job about. Thank you. Stay tuned. So here is I am entering 19 West Virginia. See, it's posted 25 miles an hour here. My load is heavy, 43,000. Right? So, but it's low. So meaning tip over is really hard to tip this trailer because it's not high load. really low but heavy. So I'm stable, but still you gotta watch your posted speed. Here is 25 miles an hour. Always stick with the limit. That's why it's meant for. It's specifically noted there, right? So some signs we're gonna come soon here as a warning of trailer tip over if you overspeed. So man, you gotta watch your speed. Here is 65, so meaning we are now in open here, but still, let's get my flushers off. Still you have to watch these mountains, right? They're not like rocky mountains, but still they're mountains, right? 65, I go about 60. I don't have to go even limit, you know. See that parking there? I parked one night there. I did not have a choice. So excellent parking here. It's not limited, nobody will kick you out. Excellent parking. So sometimes parking like that works good. I don't like parking on a hill. You know, I could not sleep normally all night. Just park on the hill on a slope. No, I don't trust, you know. Imagine truck rolls back, no. I always park a safe place. I don't want to take chances. Malfunction can happen, you know. It's just a brake, right? But that's why you inspect the brakes and everything before you hit the mountains, right? So I feel a little bit windy. I check my mapping is about 15 miles an hour wind, which is not really concern. And you know, low load, trailer is loaded heavy, so you know, I would be last one who the wind can take, you know, but wind has a power, yeah, that's for sure. I'm worried if I'm empty and going on this mountain on the hills and wind, that's my worry. But it's a beautiful sunny day, so I will update you soon. Enjoy this nature of the West Virginia. Look at that beauty. I think this is the most beautiful part when you look in a mountain view in America. Maybe Colorado is nice too, of course. Been there too, but this is a beauty. This is beauty, untouchable. Okay, stay tuned, guys. Now this is scenario how you can save the gas, you know. You just keep nice speed limit, right, before you hit the hill again. So that way, right, you can use your weight in order to save gas. It is true. So depends how strategically you are driving, right? So always try to get your limit speed before the uphill, because that's gonna push you into a comfortable uphill ride, right? Now look at this now. This is scenario. I'm going downhill again, right? Here 65, I'm going 59. So we're gonna go up to 65 again. So when I get a little bit hill, I don't have to really, I just keep that speed and I have no problem to go uphill, even if it's heavy load. So use your weight against these hills, you know. That's the best described strategy driving truck in mountains. It's important here to save gas. These mountains are high peaks, right? And if you drag your truck up hills without using your weight, you're gonna waste gas too. So you always see configuration. So what your truck can do. This is 23 Freightliner, has only 218,000 kilometers on, which is really low for a truck, right? But since I become single driver, that's why, you know, I don't make huge miles, just the average, right? Now again, I'm 55. Now I'm gonna go to slower traffic lane. I don't want to be on anybody's way, and I will now go to try to boost up the speed. See, now I'm a little bit uphill too, so it will stay on 52 until 53 until I reach the peak, right? And after the peak I will again go to 65. So that way you just playing this weight game, yeah, and nothing wrong with that. Everybody does. For new drivers, that's the trick, you know, gain downhill, lose uphill.